Hello all, welcome to my channel Tech Research. In today's video, we are going to see a software which helps you to convert any image into text. Many a times we need the text which is in a format of image to convert it into editable text. So let's see which is the software and how it is done. Type on your internet browser. This is the link. I will give the link in description for your reference. So this is the software PD Knob, which is an amazing software. This is the home page how it looks like. It speaks clearly like convert any your text images, scans, PDFs into editable text. So you can see there are so many options. Image to text, PDF to text, screenshot to text. Oh my god, this is amazing. And also moreover, it also provides the OCR extractions for so many languages. Nice, which is nice. Many things that could be done here. So it also tells you the way how it has to be done. Let's download it first. It is available for any of the operating system. Mine is Mac, so it will be downloading a DMG file. Let's go and see if it has been downloaded. Yes, it is installed. Let's install it. Go drag and drop, as this is the normal way to install any of the applications in Mac. This is my software, PD Knob Image Translator. Yes, that's fine. Give the permissions, open. So as this is a free version, it provides 5 times per day. But if you like it and if you need it, you can just buy the upgraded services. They are also provided the screenshots, videos, how to use it, and these are some of the packages. But let's go and see the free version, how it works. Now see the real magic. So this is the screenshot which is in the text format, and I want to convert this image which is this text which is an image into a editable text. So go and click here, screenshot and recognize. You will get this arrow pointer. You have to point it out where you want to convert the text and just say, so look here, it has converted the text that we have. Can you see it is exactly converted this text, this image into the text, editable text. Now you can copy this text in Word file or in editor, whichever you like. Let me show you in a Word document how it works. So just paste here, and this it is converted the image into text. This is very simple, amazing software. Go and try yourself how it works, and let me know in comments if you have any problem. I'll try to help you out. Before leaving, don't forget to subscribe my channel for updated notifications. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.